This 2014 Jayco White Hawk 20MRB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Epsom, New Hampshire, 03234 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV New Hampshire. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear bath, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.